Hey everybody, I'm Matthew Mitchell. I thought it'd be a good way to start our open house here just to show you guys where I am. Looking out here, this is the back courtyard and catwalk here. We're actually going to travel down this catwalk here. Hopefully I don't make anybody motion sick going through here. But we're going to travel down into C building. Going through the doors here. My room is actually going to be my fourth door on the left. I'm going to pass here. First door, we got some lockers. 2 and 3 on the left, and the last one down here is going to be number 4. And that's going to be my room here on the left. As you wander in here, this is going to be our room. We're going to spend our time. Dude got us nice and spread out here, so we're nice and safe as we're going. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the things that you're going to need and some of the things we're going to require. And I'll let you see my face here. Something, unfortunately, we won't get to do a whole lot this year. But as you're getting ready for my class, some things you're going to need a TI-83 or 84 calculator. They look something along this lines here. Walmart tends to have one of the better prices of them when they're available, but they're available just about everywhere if you need one used. eBay is a good place to look. And I don't care whether it's the silver edition or whether it's the color edition or whether it's just a 83 or 84 plus. You need pencil and paper. I don't care what kind of paper. If you prefer a loose leaf and a binder, or if you prefer a notebook. If you do have a notebook, I do ask that you make sure that it tears out and not just one of the marble notebooks, because those tend to lose pages. So please make sure it's something that's easily torn out to be turned in. You will need headphones that are compatible with your Chromebook. If you're an Apple individual, that lightning wire headphone, that's not going to work. You need something with a headphone jack, or you need Bluetooth, and it doesn't matter which one, but you need headphones that work. And if you do not have internet that you can download videos and assignments, what I'm going to ask you to do is to get a flash drive. A 32 gig is recommended. They're not super expensive, but I understand for a lot of us, times are tight. So if that is not something you can swing, I need you to let me know, because if you don't have stable internet, that's how you're going to be getting your assignments and your videos so that you can do your lessons. So if you'll let me know if that's something you're needing. And when I've got a PowerPoint with a lot of this information posted on the website with this video, so you can certainly look through that and make that a little easier for you if reading it is going to be easier. When you come in this first week, everybody's going to be doing introductory stuff. You're just worrying, how do we work through Canvas? That's something you've never done before, so we're going to spend a lot of time working through Canvas and making sure you understand how that all works. We're going to spend a lot of time making sure that you understand how to reach any resources that we're using, how to use those, all that kind of stuff this first week. Wednesdays in my class, new assignments will be posted, and that includes this week's too. So Wednesday is when our first set of assignments for the week, and they'll be released a week at a time. So Monday, Tuesday people, we'll explain how that's all going to work, how to get access to it for Wednesday. Thursday, Friday people, we're going to explain that to you when you come in, but nobody's responsible for any work until Wednesday outside of class, and then we'll go over due dates for each group as well, because the Monday, Tuesday group will be due slightly different than the Thursday, Friday group, just so that everybody has the same amount of time to work on it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. My email is available there, and I really look forward to seeing you guys first day of school. Take care.